Yo, sup? Welcome back to I think day 15. Today I took a trade that ended up to be a loss. Um, it's like my seventh loss in a row, bro. Actually, no. I took a win the other day. But like this month, I think I've had like 11 red days. Not even trolling. That's crazy. And anyways, I'll go over my daily bias and my thought process for today. Okay. So today, we were obviously bullish, right? Just pushing, just trending to all-time highs, just pumping, right? So I was really bullish. I was, I was probably never bearish. Yeah, I was never bearish today since we were just all-time highs. Um, Market open, we low-key didn't do anything. We kind of just chopped for a little bit, and then okay, here, yeah, just chopped, and then here we after that chop. We made a 30-minute right here, right? This is after the 15-minute tab of market open, but it formed a 30-minute. And so I was like, at this time, I was like, okay, if we came down and we tap the 30, we get an inverse out of it. Okay, that might be a good long. So that's what we got right here. Tap the 30, really clean inverse. Um, I didn't take this inverse because I think Patty said this from PB Trading. He said if you have to zoom in to see if the candle inverse or not, just don't take the inverse. And then I wait for the next candle, and okay, this candle is good. We close over, like over this gap now. And at the same time, we formed a 15-minute. So in my thought process right now, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be a pretty quick break even. So this trade could be safe. Um, what I didn't see though was ES having a bunch of LR here when I entered. So I think this might be the main reason why it failed. But I took the trade here, targeted this, um, straight to stop loss. Yeah, that shit was tragic. Yeah, I think the main reason why this failed was just mainly because it's just had a bunch of LR here. And I think we just wanted to run the LR before going higher. So yeah, pretty quick day. It's low-key tragic, but that's okay. Um, October PA hasn't been the best in my opinion. I know Dodgy be saying like this is the best month ever. If you're not doing good, you're unprofitable. Like, yeah, I guess. Sure, bro. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. Just this loss right here. This is a PDI model. I give this like I say like a B plus. Yeah, B plus. Just because like okay, mechanically this is low key A or A plus, right? This really good trade. But just because ES was generating a bunch of LR right here, it just wasn't the safest too long against a bunch of low resistance liquidity. So that's why I'm giving it this a B plus. Um, yeah, man, it was tragic. There was almost a re-entry right here. I wasn't gonna re-enter anyways because I took my loss and I was done for the day. There was this early gap that we tapped on MNQ, but not on NQ. Like if we go to NQ, that's the same early gap. Didn't tap. So that was almost a re-entry. If it did tap though, this 3 minute wouldn't been too good. Would have been all right, pretty good if we tapped it. But then you would have gotten break even anyways. I know it probably. I think it reswept later, right? Yeah, it reswept. Yeah. Okay. You see. Yeah, reset. We got this entry. This was actually pretty good, but it was just like 11:33. It was so late into the day. I was not gonna take this. Like something like this. Target that or something. Yeah. This would have been so tough. Um, yeah, it's tragic though, man. This loss. I think I should just be more observant of ES when I'm trading. If we have like a bunch of LR here, just don't take the trade. Anyways, that was me for today. Um, Hope y'all doing good this month, bro. Has not been the greatest month for me. All right, peace. Have a good night, chat.